The 95 Impala here. Just went over the interior, back original. Carpet, front seats, headliner, sun visors. Lower half of the dash. And basic stereo install. The double DIN radio relocation kit. Just washed her up, got her clean. And showed everything so far, except for these front two seats. And since we were matching the back seat, I went ahead and did the double stitch. Y'all know I don't like doing the double stitch on this car because it runs over top of this insert and it looks really funny to me. At least we're matching this back one. Remember I mentioned all LEDs, all bulbs were changed to LEDs. Did the trim here, refinished. Nothing super custom or just a basic install. Did your amps at a 45 so you could see the settings. It's always the downside of mounting the amps way back there. It's hard to get to the settings and adjust them. Get all your fuses mounted. That's your main wire in. It's fused on each side. Meaning under the hood and right in front of the back battery, rear battery. Thing's got a mean motor in it. Whoever did the install did a pretty darn good job compared to most I see. And you were wanting me to fix the trunk pop button. Somebody made a god awful mess of that. I took all this apart, all the wiring under here. And you know you got your system management under the carpet there, or whatever that is for the motor. Somebody's done some crazy wiring from the relay that goes to that button. So I couldn't fool with it. I don't know what they got going on because they brought a wire way up in here and tapped in under this fuse panel. And something to do with this white wire right here. But anyways, I'm not opening that can of worms because I don't know if they're tapped into some of your fuel management system for the motor and all that, so I don't want to mess with that. But you're ready. Did my part. A little further like always. There she is. Real nice solid car. Cut really good care of it. Good job. Those are 22s for whoever's curious. I'm going to leave that comment. I don't know what that company is. Exotic Alloys. I know y'all asked the brand of the rims and everything. Hey, thanks for watching. Till the next one. Peace.